Hello and welcome for the love of food. It's the first day of May. It's beautiful here in North Carolina. I am so grateful that we're having this wonderful weather. Now, I know we're all stuck inside. We are all sheltering at home. We're doing the COVID-19 thing. But what's wonderful is that we're all able to connect via technology, and I'm really grateful that we have that. I'm also grateful for you, our members of this group. You're simply amazing. You're sharing what you're cooking at home, you're trying new things, you are sharing what you're creating in your restaurants, and people are sharing their takeout. Let's keep sharing because food is one of those things that brings us together. It's really important right now that we feel like we have togetherness. And that's what I'm hoping to accomplish in this group. So if you can do me one favor today, in the group, you have the option to invite everybody in your friends list. Go ahead, hit the invite button. Invite everybody to share in this love for food. Thanks for watching. Always, we hope that we'll be out of this soon. We hope that you and your families are well, and we really do appreciate you. Thanks.